Install the flat table. Tighten the 4 screws. Install the flat embroidery frame. Tighten the 4 screws. Choose the flat embroidery frame. Machine automatically moves the frame. Put the fabric on. Clip on the fabric, clip. Choose the pattern to embroider. Adjust the parameters according to needs. Choose the colors. Adjust the embroidery position. Check the embroidery position. Adjust the running speed. Confirm to embroidery. Press the button to start embroidery.